Are you an investor or professional or entrepreneur? Wondering if you qualify for the UAE Golden Visa? Maybe you are confused about the process, the required documents, or even how to check your eligibility. In today's video, we'll break it down step by step. How to check your eligibility, the updated process for 2025, and essential documents you will need to apply. So let's dive in. Today we are discussing the latest update of the UAE Golden Visa program for the 2025. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, just subscribe now. What is UAE Golden Visa? The UAE Golden Visa is a long-term residence program that allows expats to live, work and study in the UAE without the need for local sponsorship. It's aimed at attracting top talent investors to support the country growth. Holders of this visa can enjoy up to 10 years of residency renewable upon meeting the criteria. So the key benefits and the updates for 2025. So what's new in 2025? Here are the key updates that make the Golden Visa even more appealing. First, lowered salary threshold for professionals. Professionals like doctors, engineers, IT specialists can now qualify with the minimum basic salary of 30,000. Third, lower real estate investment threshold. For a real estate investor, the minimum property value required has been reduced to 1 million dirham from 2 million dirham. If you have been considering investing in UAE, booming real estate market, now is the real time for is freelancers and self-employed professionals. Freelancers and self-employed professionals in the field of digital media, marketing and designing can now apply for a golden visa by submitting a portfolio and proof of work experience. This opens the door for creative and consultants to secure long-term residency with flexible work and unlimited sponsorship. Golden visa holder enjoy their unmatched flexibility. You can work for any company, be self-employed or start your own business. Sponsors, domestic helper. If you are still unsure whether you qualify for the golden visa, no worries. You can easily check your eligibility online. Simply visit ICP portal where you will find a detailed guide for all category investors, professional students and more. I have included the link in the below. So be sure to check it out. I'll walk you through the process step by step to make sure you are on the right track. So let's dive in. In the video, in background video, you can check the how we are going to check the eligibility through ICP portal. Why choose the Golden Visa? Here is why Golden Visa is a game changer. Long-term security, enjoy 10 years of renewable residence, family benefits, special healthcare package, no local sponsorship, and how to apply. Applying for a Golden Visa is straightforward. Check your eligibility under the categories like investors, entrepreneur, professionals, or student through ICP portal. I have clearly mentioned in my videos. Gather all necessary documents like income certificate, like gather all necessary documents like income proof or investment, whatever required document. Submit your application through online or registered consultant. The approval usually takes 5 to 6 days, so you can get started quickly. So how we are going to log in? Let's go through it. How we are going to apply? Let's go through it. First, create a login account through your UAE Pass. Then navigate the Golden Visa section as per the video, and you can check in the residence visa services. Select the type of visa, like choose the Golden Visa application type based on your category: investor, skilled worker, entrepreneur, freelancer. Enter the required information like personal detail, name, nationality, occupation, investment detail, and educational qualification. There are two types. One is a UAE inside UAE visa application, outside UAE visa application. Then submit this application and required document like passport, Emirates ID, qualification certificate, proof of investment. Then process the payment. If applicable, you may need to pay the required fees directly through the app. The app will show processing status, provide updates on the application. So we can check in the same way if someone is outside UAE how they are going to apply for Golden Visa. You can check the status of your application directly in the app. If there are any additional document or step required, the app will notify you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on life-changing opportunity. Drop your question in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay inspired. Thank you.